Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of slow chargers and cluttered cables, you're in for a real treat today. Let's dive into a game-changing solution that's powerful, compact, and perfect for all your devices. The BODSEI EOU USB-C charger block is designed for serious charging needs. With 8 ports, 5 USB-C and 3 USB-A, it delivers a massive 440 watts of power. Whether it's laptops, smartphones, tablets, or earbuds, this station charges them all at once. Better yet, individual USB-C ports can deliver up to 100 watts, making it perfect for high-demand devices like MacBook Pros. Thanks to advanced GaN III technology, this charger is smaller, cooler, and more efficient. It measures just 4.3 by 2.8 inches, 20% smaller than other multi-port chargers. Plus, it comes with a detachable base and a 5-foot extension cord, making it ideal for travel, home, or office setups. No more cable clutter or fighting over outlets. Compatibility is another huge win. This charging station supports over 3,000 devices, from the latest iPhones and Samsung Galaxies to Dell laptops and Nintendo Switch consoles. With quick charge support across all ports, it's a true all-in-one hub for families, tech enthusiasts, and busy professionals. And here's the best part. The BODSEI EOU charger includes lifetime service support. Inside the box, you'll find the 8-port hub, a power cord, a detachable base, and easy instructions. Setting it up is quick and painless, keeping your workspace neat and your life a whole lot simpler. If you're ready to supercharge your charging setup and ditch the mess for good, the BODSEI EOU USB-C charger block is the way to go. Don't forget to check the link below for the latest deals. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.